Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to convert Microsoft Word document into HTML file. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To convert Microsoft Word document into HTML file, open your Microsoft Word document and click on File tab on upper left corner, then click on Save As, and now I'm going to select Documents and type the file name. I'm going to type the file name, operating system, boot process, and Save As type. Click on the drop down here and then select web page or web page filtered as you wish. I'm going to select web page filtered. Now you can change the title if you wish. The default title is Windows operating system boot process. Just click on change title and then you can change title here. I'm going to make a little change. Operating system boot process. Now click on OK. Then click on save. Now click on yes. This file has been converted into HTML file. I'm going to close the Microsoft Word file and go to File Explorer and click on my document, and then this one is the operating system boot process HTML file. Now open the HTML file. Look, this is the HTML file, and if you want the source code, just right click on empty area and click on view source code, and you will find the HTML source code here, and then you can, if you wish, you can select and copy the HTML source code from here. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.